do sharp egusi soup. 1 pot of egusi soup. Alright? Oh yeah, let's go see our meat. We are going to be using cow tail, stockfish, dry catfish, and the rest. We'll do sharp so that we're not going to spend time. You don't see am. I don't like stomach. Oh yeah, maybe quickly put them on fire in a hot place with the use. You understand? To conserve. No ask me how they take by my units. You understand me? No ask me at all. Because I don't go answer. You say our meat. We don't add everything, so we put them on fire. We'll leave them. So why this is happening? Don't forget saying Madam Peku Day here. And call me for your plot of new Banana Highland that is located off Odili Road, and the number to call to go for inspection to see the land and pay your 7 million naira per plot is 090-34296519 to get your own plot of new Banana Highland. Now here they, as I talk to you right now, tractor day for site. They clear am. Julius Berger don't take over that bridge, and the governor have given go ahead, and they are working seriously. By next year, or not before, by this time next year, a plot will go for nothing less than 20-25 billion naira, especially the one at the major road. So quickly call me and I'll wait for you. Let's give a little time for our meat to steam very well so that all the condiments go enter inside. You understand? There, okay, fish and stuff. We add that on the water, okay? A little salt and my is still remaining. Let's add it with red oil. Mama taught me. So I'll be putting it right in the pot. Alright guys. Egusi soup is still boiling. Can you see? Can you take a look? Take a look. And as you're looking, don't forget to call Madam Dollars, aka Madam Good News, Madam Peku Africa Mama, to get your own plot of new Banana Highland for 7 million naira per plot, okay? And the number to call is 090-34296519. Are you seeing it? It's so sweet, so delicious. You can eat this with your eba, akpu, ona, wheat. Tuwo, black amala, everything will go inside. So that is it. Alright, I'm waiting for your call, okay? Food is ready, so we'll test them. Yeah, come and join me, okay? Don't forget that Madam Peku Day here, and always call me to get your new Banana Highland. It's 7 million naira for 1 plot, and this land is located off Odili Road in Port-Harcourt, River State, Nigeria. Come chop. I know say this egusi soup dey enter your eyes, so follow me and eat, okay? Oh my God, this is so sweet. I no lie, the soup sweet, it makes sense, it make brain. Oh my God. Oh my. I need to take this food to the dining so I can balance very well and garnish it. And level it to the ground. Let's test meat now. Meat is very hot. Oh my God. It is hot. Very hot. The soup is very, very hot. I just brought it down from the fire. I need to concentrate. I'm finishing food sharp, okay? I wait for you. Call me, and the number again is 0903429651 to get your own plot of new Banana Highland off Odili Road in Port-Harcourt, River State, Nigeria. I need to enjoy this very well. Bye. Let me concentrate. Bye.